What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to paint your own gutters and fascia yourself. The product that we're going to be using today is Dulux Weather Shield. Now this one here is a water-based product. You can use water or oil-based products. Oil is a bit harder to work with, but you do get a very nice glossy finish. With the water-based one, you do have to be careful. It does dry pretty quick, especially if it's a warm day. With this product here in particular, the reason why we're using it today, it can go over brick, cement, concrete, timber, plasterboard, metal, and in our case, ColorBond. So this one here is a powder-coated factory finish, and we can apply this product straight over the top, self-priming, nice and simple. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So this is the gutter and fascia that we're going to be painting, as well as the downpipes. You can see it's pretty worn out, discolored over time. This is a powder coat finish, so it's from factory, and the paint's going to have no issue adhering to this whatsoever. So you can see there, it's all in pretty bad condition. The sun's up there, so I'm trying to block it out for you guys, but it's pretty worn out. I've basically just gone around, wiped everything down as much as possible, cleaned it up as much as I could. We're going to start off on the gutter first, and we're going to cut in this bottom little lip here, and then we're going to just paint the rest with a brush. So cut in from the edge. Hopefully this footage is going to come out because I'm trying to do it all with one hand. So cut that edge in. You can put some masking tape if you're a bit concerned. Feather it off so that it's all nice and flat and you don't have any brush marks, so it looks like that. And then we're going to do the same thing up on top. Once again, feather that all off, try get nice long strokes. That lighting doesn't do much justice, but if you compare this side here, massive difference. So just continue that all the way along. So once the first coat's dry, this is what it ends up looking like. That sun is really annoying. Hopefully you guys can see there. That is a really nice smooth finish. Repeat it for a second coat, and then we're going to get started on our fascia here. Get rid of the bulk of that paint, and then we're going to slowly just cut in right up the top there. Once again, you can mask this off, might make it a little bit easier for you guys. Long strokes. We'll get this bottom section as well. And we're going to do this all the way across for 2 coats. So once it's all done, this here is what it ends up looking like. That sun is unfortunately still in the way, but we've got a beautiful finish right here. Nice, smooth, consistent color. No brush marks visible. A very nice finish. This is how easy it is to repaint your gutters and your fascia. Nice and simple, straightforward. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.